know, Ayla's addicted to opening toys, and you can see from her crazy excitement.
Hi guys, my name's Ayla and this is Ayla as well, and welcome back to another video!
Wow, you seem very excited, Ayla. Do you want to tell us what is going on here?
I'm just behind my booth which has all the toys I have.
And the reason why they're in the car is because...
I'm gonna get too excited and I'm gonna open all of it.
Yes guys, so Ayla gets really excited whenever there's a toy. As you guys know, Ayla's addicted to opening toys, and you can see from her crazy excitement. So that's why we keep them in the car, and every day we take one and she picks which one she wants, and then we take it home and we
I have
open
two
it.
decisions which I want now, and I don't
So what are you
know
thinking? What are you thinking for this video then?
I'm thinking of this squirty thing where you get all the and there's like a stencil and you squeeze it and you do that.
What's the second
and
option?
The second option is, I don't know where this one was from. It was definitely from England because my friend bought it for me. Cra-Z-Slimy. I know if I choose this one today, this one can be tomorrow. Or if I choose this one today, this one can be tomorrow.
So what are you saying now? Which one?
Any, mini, miny, mouse, catch a tiger, if it's up. If you see a fat pig, any, mini, miny, mouse. No, this one.
You going for the Crazy Slime?
Yeah.
All right.
And it's called Cra-Z-Slime. That's the brand. And my dad hates slime and glitter, and there's glitter in it. And also, guys, you know what? Once I got a different toy, which was the brand Cra-Z-Slime. And when I say Cra-Z-Slime, I mean Cra-Z-Slime.
I remember that.
It's real mess. It's a good thing last time one of my friends bought me a pack and we did it at Izzy's house, which is good, isn't it?
Very good.
So our house was messy.
Izzy's a friend of Ayla's.
And he used to live in the same flat as us, but now he moved to a house.
Right, okay, so guys, this is the one we're going for, the Crazy Slimy.
And guys, tomorrow I'm gonna do this one.
Yeah.
And then a bunch more.
We've got loads more to go through. There's actually more in the back, guys. You can't see them. They're in like black bags. But listen, guys, we're going to go back up now and we're going to unbox this.
Of course with you guys.
Of course with you guys.
Because you guys are my favorite.
I love you. And yeah, please don't forget to like,
subscribe, share, comment, and hit the bell
button. Lovely.
So every time we do a new video, you can watch every video that we make.
Lovely. Well, we'll see you soon.
Okay, guys, so we just got this from the car. And
you've seen all of Ayla's car toy stash, which is a lot of them.
And we also are going to be doing all those toys soon.
Yes. Today we've got the Crazy Slimy kit.
So guys, my dad hates slime and glitter, and there's slime there and glitter there.
Yes guys, I don't like it, only because cleaning up after Ayla's mess is very difficult, especially glitter. You end up finding it in your house for days and days. It stick everywhere. I hate
Probably
it.
even confetti, because once we did a baby gender and we did it with confetti and it went everywhere for like about 5 months.
That's right.
A few months.
Right, Ayla, so do you want to open it and let's see what's in it?
Okay guys, so now we've took everything out of the box and I'll show you this. And you need to build this, and it's in lots of different pieces, and the instructions will tell you how to build it, but it's very easy.
Yeah guys, that's like the blender for it, and it's also a nice organizer for you to keep everything in one place. The instructions are really simple. It's very easy to assemble it together. And the instruction sheet, Ayla?
And the instruction sheet, when you're making the what's it called again, slime, you might have to go to the instruction, and it shows everything to do. And on the other side, if you're not sure what you want to make, on the other side it shows a lot of design.
Oh, so it's got like nice inspiration.
That one has all the colours, that one has some glitter silver, that one has the beady things, that one has all the signs.
Okay.
That's purple glitter.
Okay. But guys, just to be clear, with the instructions, you definitely need to read them. If not, ask your parents to read them, because there are some stuff you have to do with the measurements, and you're going to need your parents' help.
And also there's this sticker sheet which you design this purple bit with your stickers in any design, and I've already done a few and I'll do the rest later.
Okay.
So we got this whole pack and stuff of all these.
Okay.
And we've got this glitter really tall. We got this
Silver glitter.
silver and gold, and I'm not sure what this is. I think it's white.
White, yes.
I'm not sure.
And the blender kit has a placeholder for it, so you can nicely put it there and keep it organized.
And all of them are, and if you guys want it to stay in the same place, you can, because not all of them fit in the same one because they're all different like sizes.
Also, each one is for a different, so it has to go into its own place.
But this one can go in here on both of them because that one's skinnier.
Right. Skewer.
But this one is secure, so it can't move as
Okay.
much.
What else have you got there?
We've got these charms.
Okay.
Which you saw in the blue one, and we got these sparkles.
Okay.
We got 3 cups.
Yeah.
And we got a measuring cup.
Yeah.
We got 2 lids for the cups.
Okay.
We got some paint.
Yes.
We got some slime activator and slime glue.
Okay.
And we also got this plastic spoon.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like a little hole here so you can put like everything in. Okay guys, so you need to put the glue in the measuring cup and you need to put the water in too.
Okay. So guys, what we've done is using the measuring cup, we've got ourselves 40 milliliters of water, and you need 25 milliliters of glue. So this is for the first bit of the mix.
So I'm just going to turn this around so I can put it in.
And now you just pour it down from the top.
Glue next.
Okay. And then
this is going to be quite a long... Oh, that was faster than I thought.
Okay.
Do I mix it?
For the next stage, you have to start mixing it.
Okay guys, so now we've stirred the water and the glue, we can be creative and put all the colours inside we want using the spoon and pouring it and putting it in there and putting all the glitter and charms in.
Yeah, so essentially this is now down to your creativity and your taste.
And you guys don't have to just copy my colours, you guys can do whatever you guys want.
Yeah, I think here it recommends to only perhaps put 2 colours in there.
And then
if you mix it too much colours, then it might not come out nicely. So either decide on 2 colours that you want.
Pink, of course, pink
obviously.
Colour.
Oh, careful. Oh, that looks so good in the water.
Oh yeah, looks...
I don't know if they can see, but that looks... Okay, no, you don't need to do that.
Okay, now?
Maybe you can put a bit more pink in, because some of it is stuck to the spoon, yeah. Maybe a little bit more pink. Because it does say you should put 1 or 2 spoonfuls into the opening at the mix stop.
Okay, so now what colour? I think pink and gold will look a lot.
I think so, yes, you can try that.
Wait, where do I put this?
Anyway. Okay.
Gold looks so shiny.
That's it. Okay, so Ayla's putting a spoon of gold now.
Maybe another spoon?
Yes, I think so.
But maybe not too much, otherwise it'll be the same amount of each colour and then it'll be like a mix up.
Okay.
Okay guys, so now I put the colours in, I'm going to put some of the silver in.
Okay.
I'm going to put an even amount in.
Okay. So what else are you putting in there, Ayla?
I'm putting some of these in.
Okay, be careful with that when you open it.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Do I put the whole pack in?
I don't think so, that might be too much.
I think that's enough.
Maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay. That was a little too much, but it's fine.
Okay, should I start stirring?
Well, it depends. Do you want to put anything else in, or are you happy with that?
I'm happy.
Okay, so the next stage, guys, you have to stir it.
I'm stirring it really fast. guys, so now you need some slimy activator.
Yes, guys, you're going to need 7.5 milliliters using the measuring cup. And then you need to put that through the little entrance at the top.
Or you can put it in the whole thing if you... Should I do it?
Yes, if you want.
I'm going to move that over.
Okay.
But I want that colour to come. When you put your slime activator in, you need to start mixing it. Hopefully this doesn't turn into slime on me.
Well, it's going to turn into slime now.
It's already slime.
Yeah, this is the last stage.
Okay guys, so when you stir it for 1 or 2 minutes, then it's ready.
Yes, guys. Once you put your slimy activator, stir it, then it's ready.
Okay guys, so for the next thing you need to put your cup under here, right there.
Yeah.
And then do you unlock it?
Yes.
Okay. And then guys, there's like a lock somewhere that you unlock and it'll just tip into there. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. I can tell this is slimy, guys. Oh.
Okay, so you pour it all into it.
How much is there?
Maybe use your spoon to get rid of it.
That's what I was thinking. That just made it worse. Okay guys, so this came out stickier than I thought.
I think what happens, Ayla, is when you play with it, it just becomes, because we've done it before as well, it gets more...
Normal.
Yeah, so...
But at the start it was stickier than I thought.
So guys, essentially what we've done is we've now created our own homemade slime in Ayla's colours of pink and gold. Which
did make into purple.
And we've got ourselves, this is our first try with
metallic purple. We got like a metallic purple. Guys, sometimes what I do with some, not slime, what's it called? Soap, you know the squirty one, I put a bunch, like more than you need by purpose, in your hands and then just let it fall down. I wish slime was never this sticky. Flying cup.
Okay. So, Ayla, that's our first attempt. We're obviously going to do more of them.
Yeah, but maybe with you.
Yes. So, what do you think of this toy then?
I really like it. I would rate it a 5 this time.
Okay. Why?
I mean, probably like a 4 this time.
I reckon so. 3. So it's a 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Because 2% I don't like how sticky it is.
Okay.
1% I don't like how much, like 3% I don't like how sticky it is.
Is the sticky that's the problem?
That's the only problem.
Yeah. But it is a good toy that you can get really creative with your own colours and with your own...
That's the only thing I don't like about this.
Just the stickiness of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is very sticky, isn't it?
And my favourite part about it is how, like, creative you can be with it.
Yes. Yeah, it's a good play around, but I think it's more of a Sunday, got nothing to do at home.
Sunday, Monday
play around with it, isn't it?
Saturday, Sunday, nothing to do thing.
Yeah. Okay.
I made a new name for it instead of Cra-Z-Slime.
Okay, well, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you very much.
Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell button.
Yes, guys, if you can hit the bell button, that'd be great, because then every time we put a new video up, you can be notified, and you can see what Ayla's been up to.
Bye, Slimy Hand Day.
Love you all.
Love you.